Hello, it is Sunday again, and today I will tell you how I discovered hummus. In the 90s, I had to travel a couple of times for work to Turkey, and I had been very happy to stay at the Swissôtel The Bosphorus in Istanbul. It is a beautiful hotel with a breathtaking view, and by the way, very close to Dolmabahce Palace, one of the most important sightseeing places in the city. Pampered by an exceptional service and waiting for dinner, I indulged in an aperitif, unexpectedly served along with some hummus dip, which I did not know until then, and it was delicious. Nonetheless, 3 Turkish kitchen books I bought there and in the years afterwards, and several attempts to find the recipe via internet, I never succeeded in preparing it that good as then, and I never forgot it. At the end, I contacted last month the hotel, which according to its perfect management answered sending me the recipe and even authorizing its disclosure in this video. You will need chickpeas, garlic, olive oil, lemon juice and tahini. Soak 200 gram chickpeas overnight. Discard the soaking water and boil the chickpeas for 3 hours or until soft in ample fresh water. Drain the chickpeas and transfer them to a blender while preserving the cooking liquid, and this is very important at this stage. Add 100 gram tahini, the famous sesame paste, 20 grams peeled garlic and 20 milliliters lemon juice. Start blending, adjusting with salt and adding from time to time so much cooking liquid until you obtain a cream as consistent as a mayonnaise. And you may add also cumin if you like at this point. Transfer to a plate or a bowl, swirl with a knife, drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with chili pepper, or according to the typical ingredient in Turkey, a mixture of paprika powder mixed with cayenne pepper. Serve with croutons or soft bread, and for sure you will enjoy this mouth-watering delicacy as I did. Read as usual the text box under the video to find weights and ingredients. And thank you again the Bosphorus, especially thank you Mrs. Sangirai, who was my counterpart while emailing. Bye, have a nice Sunday and see you the next time.